Welcome to our tutorial on how to forward a channel on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest update, sharing your favorite channels with friends and family has become easier than ever. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WhatsApp web. If you haven't already, you'll need to scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice a menu with various options. Look for the Channels section and click on it. Now that you're in the Channels area, it's time to find the specific channel you want to forward. You can scroll through your list of subscribed channels or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the one you're looking for. Once you've found it, click on the channel to open it up. Here's where the magic happens. At the top of the channel, you'll see the channel's name. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Forward option. This action will bring up a new window where you can choose who to share the channel with. In this new window, you'll see a list of your contacts and groups. You can select multiple recipients if you'd like to share the channel with several people at once. Use the search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific contact. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice a blue circle with a check mark appear next to each chosen recipient. Finally, after you've selected all the contacts you want to share the channel with, look for the Send button at the bottom right of the window. Give it a click, and voila! You've successfully forwarded the channel to your chosen contacts. And there you have it. You've just learned how to forward a channel on WhatsApp web using your PC. It's a simple process that can help you share interesting content with your friends and family in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to try it out for yourself.